Which brings me to query number 53 from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Cash flow, freelancing and bargain consultant, how to overcome all this. Now, one words can be too non-descriptive. Cash flow is basically when you have more spending and less earning, or you have more in your output and less in your input. That is how you decide a positive cash flow and a negative cash flow. Increase your services range, increase your or charge optimally or properly, and aim for a good OPD. Get a loophole of your expenses, which are like sinking, you can say leaking buckets in your Titanic, which are the leaking buckets. And based on that, you decide. Because if, for example, expenses and revenue are at 50-50, if you increase this by 10%, the relative difference would be 10. But if you increase this 10 and decrease this 10, the relative difference is 20. You suddenly arrive at 60-40 rather than 60-50. You arrive at that number in that sense. So think of it. That is what I can make out. Freelancing and bargain. Freelancing at others' clinic, bargaining. I'm sorry, I didn't get it. Consultant, how to overcome all this. Consultant, I just mentioned in the above query number 2 from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I mentioned the same about consultants. Choose your consultants wisely based on their skill set and credibility. I could not get what do you mean by freelancing and bargain. So